I hear this line, how do we get people to care about security? But really what you're trying to do is, how do you get people to think about security as a kind of a normal process, like brushing your teeth, putting on a seatbelt?
I think the best way to do that is actually by making the security department more approachable. A lot of us have become so much more approachable. Like if you make a mistake, approach us. We're not going to tell management about it. We're going to work with you on the problem. And then that makes people really buy in. And then what happens is the rumor mill starts going around. I hear a lot of things and I see a lot of things and I just like people to calm down. And one of the ways I love to do it, David, is by telling them mistakes that I've made.
I wrote an article about dumbest mistakes security professionals have made. It's amazing. They've all made them.
So can I tell you one of mine real quick?
Yes, please.
Okay, so when I first got to Sumo Logic, I came in as a PM around security. And I had sent out a security patch. And instead of putting 250 people in the BCC line, I put them all in the CC line. So people were like posting it on Swift on Security, on Twitter and everything else.
A super easy mistake to make. Everyone says that, if you make a mistake, just let us know. But everyone has that fear of repercussions. How do you prove that repercussions won't happen and you will actually benefit us?
It took a while with E-Staff, right? My own peers, my first team, which was, we're gonna collect these stats, but we're gonna work with people and we're not gonna let you know unless we see a repeated problem. You're only gonna get information when we see a continual problem with a certain individual, and that's when you're gonna find out. So then people feel safe.
When do you know that you're actually either getting there, making progress, going in the right direction? What are some good signs?
The good signs are all of a sudden when you see people getting caught on less phishing attempts, when you see people questioning their actions before they take them. So when all of a sudden you see, like in our Slack channel for our SOC, communication go way up and people being more open about what's happening and asking questions up front, you know you've succeeded then.
I've heard from a lot of CISOs when they start just coming to us asking questions, even questions about our personal security, that makes me realize they're actually caring and paying attention.
Absolutely, 100%, because it is exactly what you said. It now becomes part of their everyday life. Like my dream, my hope, is that one day cybersecurity departments almost go away because you're now embedding all that in the way that you live and the way that you breathe daily.
Excellent. Well, obviously, you know about Sumo Logic, right? You can just go to their website, sumologic.com.